Hi, we're now at ASUS. ASUS is an electronic and computer hardware company. And now let's welcome Howard. Hi, Howard.
Hi, this is our new Lambook S13 OLED. This is our carbon neutral Lambook. We designed this Lambook in 1 centimeter height and 1 kilogram only. And this one, we use lots of recycled material to build this kind of device. The A cover and the D cover, we use the recycled aluminum. And the C cover, we use the recycled magnesium aluminum. And also the keycap and speaker is also from the recycled plastic. So, and the A parts, we use the ceramic coating in this part. It's more hardness, and in this manufacturing process, it is totally didn't use any heavy metal. Also, the strong access inside it is more sustainability. So, in the whole manufacturing process, after recognition, we reduced the 50% carbon footprint to build this kind of device.
Hello everyone, welcome to ROG Republic of Gamers at COMPUTEX 2023. So this time here at COMPUTEX, we showcase a lot of latest products, including our motherboards, VGA, monitor, laptops, and everything. And of course, the most exciting thing is our ROG Ally, the first gaming handheld produced by us. So this gaming handheld is very special. It carries Windows 11 operating system, so you'll be able to play all your games, either it's from Steam, Xbox Game Pass, or Epic, any PC game platform. Your games library can be accessed on this particular platform. And we have the AMD Ryzen Z1 series processor on this. It's very powerful, capable of producing smooth 1080p gameplay on this very compact device. In order to boost all the performance, we optimized our ROG intelligent cooling. So in this very, very small chassis, we fit the dual fan design inside. Also, we optimized the design of our heat pipes, so no matter how you rotate it, the thermal capacity, the thermal performance will still be very efficient. And also the display is Full HD 120 Hz, so you'll be able to enjoy very smooth gaming visual on it. And it's lightweight and ergonomic design, so you'll be able to carry it anywhere you go and play any game you want.